If you live in Georgia and you're trying to decide between a will and a trust, you're not alone. This is one of the most common questions people have when they start thinking about estate planning. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the difference between a will and a trust, how each one works in Georgia, and how to think about which approach may be right for you. Let's start with a will. A will is a legal document that says who receives your assets when you pass away and who will handle your estate. In Georgia, a will also allows you to name a guardian for minor children, which is one of the most important decisions many families make. But a will only takes effect after death, and it generally requires probate. Probate is the court process used to transfer assets and settle your estate. In Georgia, probate can be relatively straightforward in some cases, but it still involves time, paperwork, and court involvement. Now let's talk about a trust. A living trust is a legal structure that allows you to hold and manage assets during your lifetime and then pass them to others without going through probate. If your assets are properly titled in the name of the trust, they can transfer more efficiently and privately after death. A trust can also give you more control. For example, you can decide when and how assets are distributed, whether that's immediately, over time, or under certain conditions. So, how do you decide between a will and a trust? For many people in Georgia, a will-based plan is completely appropriate. If your situation is relatively simple and you're comfortable with the probate process, a well-prepared will along with proper beneficiary designations may be all you need. A trust may make more sense if you want to reduce or avoid probate, maintain more privacy, or create a more structured plan for how assets are managed and distributed. It's also important to understand that this isn't always an either-or decision. Many people with trusts also have a will, often called a pour-over will, to ensure everything is coordinated properly. Another key point is that both wills and trusts are only part of a comprehensive and complete estate plan. You'll also want documents in place for incapacity, such as a financial power of attorney and an advance healthcare directive. The most important thing is not choosing the perfect tool. It's putting a plan in place that fits your goals, your assets, and your family. If you're not sure which direction makes sense, a good first step is to get organized and think through what you want to happen. Once you have that clarity, it becomes much easier to decide whether a will, a trust, or a combination of both is right for you. In the other videos on this page, I'll walk through how probate works in Georgia, when a trust makes sense, and how to avoid common estate planning mistakes. If you want help thinking through your plan, you can download the Estate Planning Starter Workbook using the link in the description or on this page. It will help you organize your information and take the next step with confidence.